How to fix Telegram contacts not appearing. Missing contacts in Telegram? Let's bring them back. First, go to Telegram settings and privacy and security. Here, ensure sync contacts is enabled. This allows Telegram to pull from your phone's contact list. Now, open your phone's app permissions and confirm Telegram has access to contacts. If not, turn it on. Then go back to Telegram and tap refresh contacts. Still not showing up? Ask your friend if they are using Telegram with the same number you have saved. If there's a mismatch, the contact won't appear. Try logging out and back into Telegram. It often forces a full contact sync. Have you ever had random contacts show up that you didn't save? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.